Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your funnel into Systeme.io. So this video is divided into 3 sections. On the first sections, I'm going to show you how you can edit text and media elements. On the next sections, I will show you how you can edit column layouts and form elements. And at the end, I will show you how you can edit countdown and FAQ element. So these are the things you're going to learn in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you will need to edit your funnel. You need to have a Systeme.io free account and you need to have at least one funnel created. So I'm assuming you have created your free Systeme.io account. If you didn't have any free account, then click the first link in the description below and create your free Systeme.io account. Then just open your Systeme.io dashboard. Then first thing you need to click on funnels. So if you already create a funnel, then just open this funnel. If you didn't create any funnel, then just click on create and then you can create a funnel. So I am assuming you have created a funnel already. So just open the funnel, and for getting the editing tab, we need to click on edit page. Then we will come to this editing area. So this is a funnel I have built for one of my client. So first thing, after opening this editing canvas, you will see elements. And here you can see this is the text sections and media sections. So the first thing we are going to cover text and media element. So see, this is a text and this is a image. So these are on the media element. So let's say we want to add a headline text. So just drag the headline text over your canvas. After dragging the text element over the canvas, you can see it added a section and then it added a row, and under the row it added our element. So I will tell you in details about the section, row and all of the things in the column and layout sections. So keep watching this video. And then let's say I want to add a media element called images, or I can add a video. So how can you do that? So you can see image elements. So just drag the image element over here. Then the image will be added over here. And let's say I want to add a audio after the image. So just just click over the element what you want to add and where you want to add, and then drag the element over here. Then it will add over here. I showed you how we can add our element over our canvas. Now let's say how can you change the text. So let's say I want to write down here, unlock the power of preschools PDF. So how can you change the text? So for changing the text, you need to click over here, and then you can delete those text and you can rewrite those text. So just press Ctrl A and then write down here your text. See, this is very simple. Now let's say you want to make this preschool little bit bolder. Then just select the text, only select the text and then click on bold. Then it will be it becomes little bit bolder than other. Then let's say you want to change the color. Then just select the text and then click on this icon and then you can change the color. And you can do all other things. If you want to make it underline, then you can add this one. Then if you want to add links over the text, then you can click over here and then you can add your link over here. Then just click on save this icon, then the link will be added over here. So this is very simple. This way you can change text. Now let's say you want to change all of the text font size at once. So just click over here and then on the left side you will see text headline properties. Here we will get all the properties about the text. So for changing the font size, we can change this font size. Then it will change all of the text font size. And then this is the line height. We can change the line height over here. And now let's say you want to change the font. So how can you change the font name? So font type, from here choose Google Fonts, or if you prefer web shape fonts, then you can choose that one, but I will prefer Google Fonts. And I want to add a font called Inter. Then I will just write the font name and then the font will be changed. And here font style, we can see all of the style over here. So I will make it semibold 600. Then the font style will be follow the same style. And then let's say you want to change the color, all of the text color at once. Then you can see color. So here text background color, not color. For changing the color, just select all of the text and from here choose what color you prefer. But if you want to change the background color, then from here text background color, choose the background color you like. So this is as simple as that. But I will remove the background color and I will make this one black. So that's it. This way you can easily change. and these are the margin and padding related things. We will see those things later in this video. Now for adding the image element, just click over the image, and on the left side you will see the image properties. Now first thing, for adding the image, you need to upload an image over here. So click on this upload icon, and then from here upload an image. Select file, and then choose whatever image you want to add over here. So I will choose one of my image, then it will be uploaded over here, and then click on insert. Then the image will be added over here. So now see, the image is so big, so I want to make the image a little bit smaller. Then just click the image element, and then you can see image size. So from here choose the size little bit smaller, then the image size will be small. And here we can see all of the properties. You can add a link over the image, and you can open the link in new tab, and then you can see the alignment, left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. So I will make the alignment into center, and then the background color, you can also add a background color over the image. So this is very simple, and this is a margin and padding. So let me clear you the margin and padding thing. So this is our image element, and this is our headline text. Okay, so here the gap is so thin, so I want to make some gap over the text and this image. So we need to add margins. Here we can add margins from 4 sides. So I want to add some gap from the top. So here I will just add 50 pixel margin, and then it will add 50 pixel gap from the top side. So this is the margin related thing. If I need from the left side, so I will just change this one from 50, then no, this is bottom, and left is this, top, right, bottom, and this is the left one. See, it added 50 pixel gap from the left side. So I will make it 0 pixel for now. So this is the margin related things. Now let's say how we can add audio over here. Click the audio, and from here directly we can upload an audio file. Then from here just upload your audio, and then the audio file will be uploaded over here. Now just click on insert, then the audio file will be added over here. Then when someone click on this play icon, the audio will be played. So this was the text and media element. Here we have other options. Let's say you want to add a video, then you can do the same thing by following the same style. And here we have content box. So if you don't know what is content box is, let's drag it. So if you didn't understand any of the element, then just drag the element over here, then you can see the element related thing. And after clicking the element, you can see all the properties on the left side. And here you see content box title. Here we can write the content box title. So let me write down here my favorite video. So this is the content box style, and we can change the background color from here. So let's make it black. And on this content box I want to add a video over here. So how can we do that? Just come over here and drag the video element over here, then we can add a video over here. So just click the video element over here, and then from here change the URL, then this video will be added over here. Let me show you the thing over here, youtube.com/. Let me come to my YouTube channel, and let's copy this URL. So I'll just right click over here and copy link address, then I will just paste the link over here, and our video will be added over here. This is very simple. So let me delete this video element from here. So this was the first sections, how you can edit text and media element. So now we will see how you can edit column layouts and form elements. First thing, let's come on the next sections called column layout. So here you can see 3 columns, 4 columns, 3 columns, and 2 columns, and then row and section. So first of all, let me show you what is section. Okay, so just watch this landing page and this element. Here you can see this is the section, and under the section here we have added a row, and under the row we have added this text element, and then this image element, and then this button element. So you got the point. This is the sections, and under the sections we need to add a row, and under the row we can add our text element or whatever element we want to add. So first of all, if we drag this section over here, then see it added a sections and it also added a row. Now let's add this row over here, then it also add the sections and then add a row. So if we add section or row, it will automatically add the section also. This is the simple thing you need to notice over here. And then now let's say, see, this is the element. Here we add 2 column section. So let's say you want to recreate this one. So how can you do that? So you can see over here 2 columns. So just drag this 2 column layout over here. Then see, here we have added 2 column layout. here we need to add this text element. This is the text element and this is also the text element. So from here just drag the text element over here, and then I will just copy the same text and then come over here and then double click, press Ctrl A, then Ctrl V. Then our text has been pasted over here, but it's not look like this. So how can you make it look like this? Making it look like this, first of all click over here, then first thing you need to change the font family. So I will make it Google Fonts, and the font I use there is Poppins. See, the fonts has been changed. Now let's make the alignment left. So scroll down below and you can see alignment and make it left. And here we need to add a in, then it will look like this. And now we need to change the line height. So from here change the line height little bit longer. Then now it's look like similar to this. Now we will just copy the same text, or we can just duplicate. Just come over here and here you can duplicate it just by clicking this icon. Now just drag this text over here, then it will come to this page. Now see, it's similar to this. But if we see it on full screen mode, so for seeing it full screen mode, you can see over this icon. Just click over here, then it will show you on full screen mode. See, it added lots of margin from the left side and right side, but it add less margin from the left and right side. So how can you add margins from the left and right side? So for doing that, you need to click on the sections, and then you need to come over here margin, and from the left side make it 200 pixel, and from the right side let's make it 200 pixel. Now if we see it on full screen mode, see, it added 200 and 200 pixel margins from the left and right side. So for making it similar to this, we need to decrease the margin a little bit. So just click the section and make it 150 by 150. So this was the process. Now it's look like similar to this, you can see over here. So this was as simple as that. So this was the column layout. So I hope you understand what is column layout, how can you add, how you can change the margin and all of the things. So now I will just delete this one. Now we don't need this one. Now here you can see form input. Okay, let me create a, so let's say I want to create a section where I before downloading this PDF, people need to enter his first name and email address. So how can we do that? So for doing that, just input this form input over here and click the input field, and then from here select a type. So from here I will choose first name, and then I will just duplicate this one, and then I need to enter his email address. So from here I will choose email address. From here I can email. So now if someone click over here, then they will see a pop-up, or they will send to the next step URL. Let's say I have built a thank you page after this page, so they will visit the thank you page after filling this two information. And here you can see checkbox. Let's say you want to add a checkbox over here. So this is after tick mark this checkbox, they can click over here. Otherwise this download now button will not work. And then here the reCAPTCHA. If you want to see the I am not a robot, then you can add the reCAPTCHA over here. So that was the forms, sections, all of the things. And now here you can see social media sharing elements. Let's say you want to share this funnel on Twitter, then just drag the Twitter share button over here, and then people can share this on Twitter. So I will just delete this one. I just want the Twitter share button over here, and I want to make it on the left alignment, so it will add it over here. And now here you can see the Facebook comments. If you want to add to Facebook comments, then just drag the Facebook comments blocks over here, then you can see this will be added over here. This is very simple. And then here you can see survey related thing. So if you want to take a survey from your audience, then you can add all of the questions. Just click the survey. Here you can click the survey, and from here you can edit survey questions, and then you can write down your survey over here. Okay, just click over here, add questions, then just click the questions, and then your questions, write down here your questions, and then you can write down the answer, and then you can add tags. You can create tags, and then you can add tags to over here. Then click on add answer, then this will be added over here. So if you want to add multiple answers, then you can just click and add answer, then just add all of the answers over here. This is 1, 2 and 3, but we don't need multiple answers, we need only one answer. So add the answers and then click on this close icon, then the answer will be added over here. So this way you can add survey questions on your funnel. So this was our second step, how you can edit column layouts and form elements. Now I will show you how you can edit countdowns and FAQ elements. So let's say I want to add a timer over this over here. So how can we do that? Okay, so I will just drag the countdowns, this element over here, let's say over here, then the timer will be added over here. Now just click over here and from here change your date, change whatever date you want to add over here, and then choose an actions. If you want to redirect after the date, then just redirect to URL, then add the URL over here. Then after the date expired, the page will be automatically redirected to the new page or whatever page you want to send your audience. And you can change the timer color over here. If you want to change it something blue, then you can choose the text, and you can want to the level color, then you can also change this one too. You can customize each and everything over here. So this way you can easily add timer and countdown on your page. And let's say now you want to add some FAQs. See, this is the frequently asked questions I have built it over here. So how you also build a FAQ like this? So for building is just first of all, let's delete this timer over here. So from here I will just drag the FAQ element over here, and then just click over here, and from here just click add FAQ items, and then click over here, or just click over here, and I will write down here, just copy the FAQ element from here. This is the click over here, and this is the questions. So I will just copy this one, and then I will come over here and then click over here, and from here change the text, then the text will be added over here. And now on this element we need to add our text element over here, and then on this text we need to paste our answers. So I'll just copy the answers, and then I will come over here and then double click, press Ctrl V, then it will be added over here. Then change the alignment into left, and change the font size into Google Fonts and Poppins. Then just increase the line height, and it's done. Now we need to change the text, headline text font size. So from here just make the font size little bit bigger and make the font family into Google Fonts, and then from here we will choose Poppins. Now see, this has been added. So this way just repeat the same process. And if you change the background color, so from here just change the background color, whatever color you want to change. So this way, let's say now you want to add another FAQ, so just click add FAQ items, then it will be added the item over here, and then just click over here, then drag the text element over here, and then paste your text over here, then it will be added over here. So this way you can easily create a FAQ, something look like this, and you can customize each and everything. And on the last, here we have horizontal row and menus. So if I drag the menus over here, see our menu will be added over here, home and contact. Just click over here and you can add other menu. Let's say add menu item, just write down here YouTube or whatever menu you want to add, just click add menu items, and then write down the menu name and write down the URL or link, then it will be added over here. So this way you can easily create a menu, a custom menu. I will just delete this one, and then here you can see raw HTML. So let's say you want to do some custom HTML thing, custom coding thing. So let's say I want to make this text color into YOLO using HTML code, or I want to add some CSS on this text. So I'm going to do that. So first thing, you need to drag this raw HTML over here, then it will look like this. But for adding CSS or HTML on this text, we need to copy the text ID. So just copy the ID and then click over here, and then from here edit code. So edit code, then write down over here. Then first thing, you need to add the style tag over here, then just write down your hash and paste the ID over here. Then use second bracket, start and close. Use this second bracket, then write down here color, then write down your color name. So I'll just write down here YOLO, and then use semicolon, then click on save, and see our color has been changed. This way you can easily add raw HTML. So I showed you all the things about editing your canvas. So that is all for this particular video. I think you guys learned something new. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will try to solve your questions in the next video. So that is all for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.